Hello and welcome to theprofitroom.com. Don't forget to hit the like and also the subscribe button. You're watching a live trade of us trading NASDAQ futures. If you notice, we'll be up close to $1,000 in a matter of minutes. When you trade the futures market or any other market, it can be very, very dangerous, especially with the market conditions now with all the volatility due to the coronavirus. But as professional traders, we look for controlled setups. As you notice, we had close to $1,000 and now it came back against us and we're almost in the red and we're fluctuating. That's okay because we can anticipate a bigger movement. Newbie traders, like we say in our other videos, take the profits. Now we trade based off of technical analysis. If you notice, NQ, which is NASDAQ, has been in a channel, has been going up and down, and we've been trading this channel all morning. When you trade a channel, you have to look and be aware of price action that may shift in momentum. But we anticipated the price to go even lower. As you notice, we're in this trade and it's starting to get a little bit more controlled. It's starting to fall without having that many wicks. What I mean by wicks, it's not whipping us back up like it was doing earlier. This is what we teach our students at theprofitroom.com. Learn how to control the emotion and trade the plan. Now we're in this trade and we start to book some contracts. Earlier we had 3, now we have 2. It's starting to control its way and go even lower. Now, on the mindset part of this, how low can this actually go? Well, we use many factors when we trade. We just don't trade off of one chart. We take into what the whole market is telling us what to do. We trade what we see and not what we think. This was an amazing trade. Now we have one contract left. We call this the runner. Now the runner allows you to relax and be able to sit through the trade and be able to be a little bit more comfortable because you already made profits. And this is the beauty behind learning how to trade. Many people start off trading and they get very, very nervous. They get shaken out of positions. They can't sit in positions for a period of time. But when you can anticipate what's going to happen, it allows you to stay in the trade a little bit longer. So you notice now that we're starting to hold some support, which is very, very common. Now support is almost like a basement of a house, right? And resistance is almost like the ceiling of the house or the roof. And price action may push up and down between that. We are considered now at the bottom of this channel, but we've taken in other factors like we mentioned before, so we're willing to hold on to this runner to see how much more profits we can get out of this trade. Now this would be a bad opportunity for most to get in a trade right now because we are at support, and many traders, they kind of mess themselves up when they do things like that. The trade is not completely over, but the trade is not as highly going to work out for your benefit without getting stopped out. So as we sit in this trade, we're wondering and looking at the whole factors, we're putting everything into consideration, we're waiting on specific times, we're looking at the whole market, waiting for that nice flush because we can sit in the trade. As you notice, we start seeing more selling pressure come in. Amazing trade, and we'll eventually book out this last contract and make some nice profits. So many people ask, how can you learn how to do this? You could come over to theprofitroom.com where we show you how to trade any type of market that you trade. Futures market is an amazing market to learn now, especially with a lot of market volatility going on right now. Options is a great way to trade right now with a lot of the volatility that's going on right now. Whatever has a chart, we can teach you how to trade it. All right? So as always, we tell you to get educated and trade safe. And you like to see this nice $3,000 in under 10 minutes. Come learn from us or trade with us at theprofitroom.com.